What's up, guys? Right now I'm at my dad's house. Right now I'm in the backyard, and right now, look at what I have here. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try and prop it up right there. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so this is not real. Don't worry, this is not real. This is a BB gun. It just looks really realistic. And so I'm gonna plop that little BB in there, and then so I can pump it 3 times. Okay, now I'm gonna go shoot it at that little target right there. Okay, I'm gonna go get another target. That's actually really hold up. Alright guys, 1 second, I'm gonna go get another target. Here. Alright guys, I'm back. And I'm just gonna go put the target over here. Alright. Now that the BB gun is loaded. By the way, these are not these are like metal BBs, like copper BBs, so this can actually hurt you. So this is why you should always be careful. What the heck? There's a Nerf dart in my shoe. Oh, hello. There's my dog here. I mean, look at the camera. Oh, she's kind of camera shy. All right. Now what you guys have been waiting for, gonna get this gosh darn target. Let's see if you can get a better view here. Let's see, I'm gonna maybe. Is that good? Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Okay. Alright guys. I'm gonna finally shoot it. Ooh. That was pretty bad. But I think you can see that here. Alright, now I'm actually gonna tell you how to load this thing. Okay, so what you do here is it's some dirt there. So you need to open this thing with this part right here. Pull this back. It does require some strength. It hurts my hands. And then, with this open little spot right there, you just plop in that BB, and also make sure that when you're loading it and you're putting the BB in, do not have it sideways, because it can actually roll out of the barrel and then you'll lose your BB. So let's try not have that happen. See if you can get a better view. Okay. There we go. Okay. It's still really bad. Let the BB hit right there. Also, if you're wondering how I'm hanging it up there, I just put a nail in my tree, so, and it has a little hole at the top of it, so I can just, yeah. Make sure you also pump this thing 3 times, because the more you pump, the more power. Oh, let's see if I can. You know what? I'm just gonna put it all back here. So I know you're saying, wait, Luis, I can't see it. Or yeah, that's my name, Luis. I know you're wondering, Luis, I can't see the target. I get it, but that's. I just need to. Also, one more thing. You need to make sure that you have good posture. So you need, if you're right-handed, or which I am, I'm right-handed. If you're right-handed or you're left-handed, then you need to make sure. If you're left-handed, you need to have this foot in front, and then yeah, go like that. If you're right-handed, just like me, then have this foot in front. Same with the left hand, have this foot in front. But yeah, you just gotta have this foot in front, and then just look through the scope, and then shoot. Also, yeah, these targets are really good. You can get them at Sportsman's Warehouse. The thing that's good about them is that you can, if you shoot, when you shoot it, you can like see like white and black splatter, so you can see your bullet splatter, or BB splatter, so yeah. Oh! Just kidding, I'm fine. That's why you need to be careful. You don't want to bang your head. Also, after a while, if you leave these out for a while, then they will get rolled up, which means, yeah, they will be no longer usable. And yeah, so that's why if you're gonna use the target, then don't waste it. Actually shoot it until there's no other place to shoot. That was slightly better. So it hit right here, the black spot, so yeah. Not the bullseye, but like at the, you know what I mean. Ooh, better. So that hit, see, that hit right here, right there. Not too bad. Also, I do have something exciting to show you that you will see at the end of the video. So I know you're like, Luis, your place looks different. Yeah, so the reason why is because, well, on the weekends I go to my dad's house, and on the weekdays I go to my mom's house. So, yeah. Also, don't really get to upload, and if you don't see me uploading for a while, I do tend to lose my iPad. Got it like I got that thing, the iPad in 2018, which is being filmed with right now. And yeah. Dude, what kind of crap was that? That hit the target right next to where my first hit was. That was really bad. And by the way, what the, oh my gosh! No way. Holy crap, dude. That's amazing. Look at that. If you got stuck. Look at that, I got an extra round. Perfect. Oh, and by the way, once you get this rifle here, this BB rifle that I'm using here, it's not going to come with the scope on it. You're going to have to like attach it, look at all the instructions, all that stuff. But okay, see if I can get like maybe close to a bullseye. That was not even close at all. Jesus Christ. Ah. I'm telling you, this thing hurts. Like leaves spots on your hands. Like look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like right there. Oh my gosh. Scarred for life. Oh, just kidding. So a good tip, just so like, because all my BBs are over there, like in a giant jar, and a tip to not have to like shoot one BB and then have to go all the way over there and then shoot and then grab another one and so on. Just put a bunch in your pocket, so that way you can just reload. By the way, if you see silver ones, do not. What?
Why are you leaving this open?
Sorry. Well, I'm leaving it open for the dog. I'm recording right now.
You ready?
No, not yet. I'm recording right now.
Come here.
Okay. Sorry about that. That was my dad. Wait, did I? Okay, yeah. Okay. So, I forgot what I was saying, but, yeah. Bro! I barely even hit the target. Jesus. Yeah, I didn't lose my round. Sometimes the BBs get, like, stuck in the tree, right? Oh my gosh! No way, there's one right now. You think the devil. Cool. Okay. Okay. So guys, yeah, I'm gonna cut the video in a few minutes because I'm going to the Columbia Basin Racket Club. But don't worry, I will still show you the surprise at the end of the video. Don't worry. a little bit. Okay. 7 point. I think I could do better. So by the way, guys, I'm gonna mention. What? Okay. I'm gonna mention 2 YouTube channels. I'm gonna mention Cubehead, JPerm, Tingman, and Kentucky Ballistics and Demolition Ranch. Go subscribe to them at the end of the video. Like, subscribe to them. Kentucky Ballistics is like a gun channel, sort of like mine, but this time but like Kentucky Ballistics like uses guns all the time, or I only do this like occasionally, like sometimes. Same with Demolition Ranch, just different guy. Cubehead, same hobby as me. Tingman and JPerm, yeah. Just go subscribe to them. You'll see them, I promise. What the hell? I'm just kidding. But I hit a 7 again. Oh, and go subscribe to Stephen He too. He's like a comedic Asian channel imitating his father. He's really funny. Okay. Just kidding. Let's see if I can get a little bit back here so I can get to the view. And now I wish I could get a slow motion, but I can't, sadly, because I am a beginner at YouTube, so don't know all those things. Might take YouTube lessons, if that's even a thing. Oh. Ooh. You wanna come? Rome? Amina? Come on. Oh yeah, my dog's not coming out because she's a pacifist. I'm talking to the camera. My dog's not coming out because she sees the gun in my hand. She's a pacifist. So, yeah. She hates guns. My dog absolutely hates guns. Okay, another 7. Jeez, I suck at shooting. I mean, I have gotten a bullseye before, but very rarely do I get a bullseye. Ooh. And don't worry, I will be getting different BB guns and shooting with different guns, don't worry. Promise you, it won't just be this gun the entire channel. Otherwise, you guys are gonna stop subscribing to me, so. Oh yeah, and also, can you please subscribe to my channel? Because then I will, I'm just kidding. But yeah, it'd be great if you could subscribe to the channel and smash that like button with a gun. Pew, just kidding. Don't actually do that. But yeah, it'd just be great. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Also, go subscribe to Infinite. He's a great guy. And subscribe to Mr. Beast too. Just subscribe, or else you will face the barrel of death. Alright, my target's already getting rolled up, but I'm gonna get a little bit closer. Okay, I know this is cheating, I get it, but when you need to hit a target, you need to hit a target. Alright, an 8. try and get a bullseye here. I doubt I will, but hopefully I do. I'm gonna get out of camera here. Okay. Another 8. Alright. Alrighty. Alright. And now, another one. Another one. That's dust. Boom. I'm just kidding. Okay. Okay. My tree is so battered up. Jeez. Taking big. Oh! Found another BB embedded inside the tree. Let's see if I can get it out. 1,000 years later. I might get it out some other time when I'm not on YouTube. Oh, wait. Is it like... Alright, well I can't get it right now. So... Alright. I'm gonna stop there, I think. Stop there. I hope you guys enjoyed the... Wait, not yet. Okay, a second. Now the moment... Can you turn that down really quick?
Huh?
Can you turn that down really
Why?
quick? Because I need a...
Huh?
Can you just turn that down really quick?
Why?
Because... Never mind.
Why?
Okay.
Can you answer?
Okay,